Hey, this is Matt from VMPPerformance. Today we're going to show you how to use your HP Tuner's nGauge to set up and data log your 2018-2019 Mustang GT so that the fine folks at VMPPerformance can look at your logs. So right now we've already plugged in the nGauge into the car. You're going to make sure that the ignition is on. You're going to go to Gauges, and you're going to go to Connect. Now there's a step here that we have missed that you might see. If you have not previously connected the gauge to the car, it will ask you to select what type of network you're on. You'll want to select the 2008 and up Ford network, and then you'll get to this screen. So from here, you're going to tap the screen. You're going to go to Signal, and this will bring up a long list of PIDs that you can select from. So you're going to follow the PID list that we supply on the screen here, and you're going to click the star next to the ones that we need you to add. So you'll continue through until you have selected all of the ones we need you to select. At that point in time, you're going to hit the X to back out, and then you can go ahead and back out of Gauges again, just to make sure everything syncs. Go back into Gauges, reconnect it, and you are ready to log. So at this point in time, you can start the vehicle, go out on the drive. We will have given you instructions if we need idle slow revs, wide open throttle pulls, whichever it may be. You're going to select the screen and you're going to hit Start Log, and it will start recording. As long as this light is flashing up here, you are recording. You'll go and drive the vehicle however we needed you to drive it, and then at that point in time, you will select Stop. And when you're all done, you can exit back out and the log will have been saved. Okay, at this point in time, what we're going to do is go back inside, and I'm going to walk you through connecting the nGauge to your computer and retrieving the logs off of the nGauge and emailing them to us so that we can better support you. Okay, so we're back inside, and I'm going to walk you guys through connecting this to the computer. Now there's actually two ways. One is plugging the USB cable into the front of it, and there's also removing the SD card in the back and inserting it in the computer. Both methods yield the same results. So I'm just going to show you the USB method, which is what we use. Okay, so you're going to take your USB cable that is currently plugged into your laptop or PC, and you're going to plug it into the front of the nGauge and let it power up. Once you're on the main screen, you're going to go to Diagnostics, and you're going to go to Use USB SD, and that is going to connect it to your computer. You can set this down at that point in time, and you can go onto the screen. You will see that the nGauge drive has popped up. You will go inside the nGauge drive. You will go up here to the Logs folder, and your logs that you previously recorded will be in there. So at this point in time, all you have to do is attach these to an email going to us, and we should get them and be able to make the appropriate changes to your file. And that's all there is to it. If you like what you saw on Shop Talk Saturday, or if it helped you out in any way, make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.